Hello everyone, my name is Ahil. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Kids World. Today I am going to read lesson number 12, Common Birds. These are some birds: crow, sparrow, parrot, pigeon, duck, hen, peacock. The birds have feathers. The birds have two wings. The birds have two legs. The birds have a beak. The birds can fly in the sky. The peacock is our national bird. The pigeon is the symbol of peace. Thank you. Some facts about birds are: number 1. The biggest bird in the world is North African ostrich. Number 2. The smallest bird in the world is bee hummingbird. Bye. Thank you.